All right, guys, right now we are going to be talking about Forex lots. This is extremely important, especially for those with small accounts, not to be too aggressive early on. I tend to, Forex lots is your position size, to break it down in a nutshell. So, when you trade stocks, you're buying shares. When you trade options, you're buying contracts. While with Forex trading, we are buying lots. It is very, very similar to imagine going to your local grocery store and you go to the deli department and you're looking to buy your favorite lunch meat. In my case, I like ham. Ham is my favorite lunch meat, ham and salami. Well, let's imagine I want 5 sandwiches Monday through Friday. I want to make myself 5 sandwiches for lunch. Well, I know I like about 2 to 3 slices of salami or ham on my sandwich. So I can't just go to the deli and be like, "Hello, I'd like 3, 6, 9, 12. I want, I want 15 slices of salami." They're gonna just look at me and be like, "No, it doesn't work that way, dude. Either buy a pound, half a pound, a quarter pound. It's measured in weight, right?" So basically, that's very, very similar to forex trading. It is in lots. Okay, so this is really important because a lot of traders, like I said, they jump in with they don't give themselves a chance. And with me and doing small accounts with forex, I scaled up my size. I'd start at point one, and point two, and point three. You give yourself a chance. I think this is important that everyone should do that, especially especially if you're starting with a small account. 10, 50, $100. Then you're gonna have to start with a small size. But obviously, you start with a $10,000 account or whatever. Then yeah, you can go 1.00 lots, and then you know take it to 1.50 lots, and just slowly scale your lots up, guys. So let's dive further deep into this part. So forex lots, a lot is a measure of volume. That's simply what it is, right? It's a measure of volume. One lot is 100,000 units of base currency. Ideally, there's times I'll trade 50 lots, 60 lots, 75 lots. It really depends on the trade and ideally the setup. So with that being said, ideally you guys really want to be at one lot at least, right? That's ultimately where we want to get you guys and where you want to be. So, but you have to start small, and there's nothing wrong with that. So, another lot, point 10, right? And that's 10,000 units of base currency. We call that a mini lot, guys. So, there's nothing wrong with starting at even point 10, right? So if this is Excel spreadsheet that you guys will have at the end of the course, you put in point 10. Let me actually fix this. This is driving me fucking nuts. So there we go. That's a little better. So say you start with point 10, right? And whatever trade you take, right? So maybe say EUR, USD, whether you bought or sold, however much your profit was. Say you made, I don't know, guys, maybe 25. We'll just say $50 in profit. Obviously, your account gets updated. That's actually a high account for only taking point 0.10 lots. So we'll just say a $800 account, 850, and then now the next day you would take point 0.20, point 0.30, point 0.40, point 0.50, point 0.60, point 0.70. Now, if you obviously have a loss, right? So let's say this day you take point 0.70, you have a loss. Then the next day you take point 0.60, and say you have another loss. Then you take point 0.50. Then you have another loss, right? Then you point 0.40. You scale down and then until you slowly scale back up until you get to like one lot. Or again, you could start at one lot and work your way to 1.25. 1.50, 1.75, 2.00, or you can go from one lot to two lots to three lots to four lots. It's really however you want to do it, okay? So again, one lot is 100,000 units of base currency. Point 10 is 10,000 units of base currency, and then obviously point zero 0.01 is 1,000 units of base currency, which is a micro lot. So obviously, point zero 0.01 is extremely, extremely, extremely small, for any forex pairs. So a little bit more about forex example here. Excuse me, lot example. This here you'll see a EUR USD is here on the left hand side. So this is EUR USD. Now let's pretend you took one lot of EUR USD. That's 100,000 units of base currency. And the ask price is going to be 1.23228. So to buy one lot, right, to buy 100,000 units, okay, so you're taking the 100,000 to buy one at 1.23228 is going to cost you $123,228. Now, a lot of you guys might be looking at this and be like, well, how can I ever buy one lot? And again, guys, this boils down to why we have leverage, right? We use leverage. We have this leverage in order to make these trades. Okay, and we're only using 1% of our account and 99% of the broker's accounts. Okay, so I promise you guys, you'll be able to take one lot. You'll see what I mean. You'll be able to take one lot with a small account. You just have to, keep in mind that, you know, um, it could stop you out depending on how big your account, depending on the size of your account, it could stop you out pretty fast. Because remember, you have to have that free margin available. The more free margin you have, the more the trade can go against you. But you don't want the trade to go against you. You want to constantly maintain a tight stop loss. So as you guys can see, one lot, right? You could take, all these trades right here, all four of these trades. I just took one lot. One lot, right? One lot can easily make you $400 in profit, $600 in profit, or even something so little as $250, $260. So, right? So, even if you guys, even if you come just once a day to the Forex market, right from your cell phone, and you just we'll get rid of all these, right? Well, you know what? We'll go with the lowest number here, the lowest profit, 252, right? So we'll get rid of all this and we'll go with 252.70, right? So let me get my calculator out here. One second, just bear with me, guys. So $252.70 in profit. So say you could just come one time a day with your cell phone, right? 252 times 70, say 5 times a week. That's five. $1,263. That's once a week times 52 weeks in a year. Extra $65,000 a year, guys. That's life changing money considering you're doing this right from your cell phone, day in, day out. You set your profit, you set your stop loss, you truly set it and forget it. It's just like having a slow cooker, guys. Take a slow cooker, you want to cook a pot roast, you throw your meat in there, your potatoes, your carrots, your beef broth, you set the timer, right? And you come back hours later and now you have a nice meal. It's the same thing with Forex trading. So hopefully this part helps you guys from a lot understanding the lot standpoint. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, as always, reach out to me. I'll do everything I can to help you guys.